Hello, my name is Dan Murphy. I'm an Edmonton defense lawyer. I wanted to speak today just a little bit about a murder suspect that was captured, Terrence DeMar. He was charged with first-degree murder of a Sam McConnell. First-degree murder, I guess people don't necessarily know the definition, requires some premeditation or planning. This could include things like hiring someone to kill somebody, and in most cases it's people who are known to each other who plan the murder of the other person. In this case, the suspects are known to each other. Not suspects, suspect and deceased are known to each other, but there's very little detail as to what occurred, even though this occurred in October of 2022. So it's been some time. Second-degree murder is any murder which isn't first-degree murder. So when someone is killed, the intent is to kill, and there wasn't any pre-planning, that's when you get into second-degree murder situations. Lately in Edmonton, there's been a number of shootings. A lot of these would be charged as second-degree murders where people have passed on, and there's also the charge of manslaughter where there wasn't an intent to kill, but the unlawful act actually resulted in the death of a person. Think of strangling someone in a fight or an argument and they pass on. That may be classified as a manslaughter, dependent on the context of the situation. Either way, the rise in gun violence is concerning. As I've stated, the police need to do as much as they can in terms of community policing, being out in the public, visible, not in their cars, but also walking the beat and ensuring that people who are getting into altercations, violence as relates to drugs, is being resolved in a way which is not resulting in violence in our streets, shootings in our streets. This is not the Edmonton that I've known since I've been here, and it's becoming very apparent that it's common, and also that the police are saying it's not gang violence, it's not organized crime. So the question becomes, what is it? What exactly are we dealing with? And I think the public deserves some answers, and also some strategies from the police and the police chief as to how they plan to stem the violence which is occurring in Edmonton, both minor property offenses, minor violent offenses, assaults, etc., of citizens, and serious crimes such as murders and shootings, which again jeopardize the lives of all citizens when things like that are going on. So that's my take on today's news article that I had a chance to read. A little distinction between first-degree and second-degree murder for yourselves, and also again a plea for the police to do more in terms of stopping the violence, and also simply not saying, well, it's not gang violence, therefore it's just isolated incidents. When an incident occurs time and time again, it's no longer isolated, it's a pattern, and there needs to be something done. So I urge the police to do more, and the gun violence must come to a stop in Edmonton, and the only way to do that is to address underlying problems with the individuals who possess guns. So if it's drug dealers, if it's gang members, they need to be addressed, and also the people who are becoming victims, who are drug addicts, people who are on the street, people who are really loosely affiliated with these people but are being targeted because they happen to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. So that is all I wanted to say today. Again, Dan Murphy, MD, Criminal Law, MD Law Group. You can reach me in my comments below. I'm happy to chat with you about this incident and any other incidents that you may want to bring to my attention, so we can discuss them, and I can discuss them with you on the next podcast I put forward. Thank you.